Alright, here we go. That's all I got today. First things first, that's an LSS. It's a compressor, equalizer, basically. I have it upside down. Yeah, people are always looking for that. I keep an eye out for any type of DJ equipment. You might have noticed the Cutcos. This one here is a 22 Butcher. Appears to be in brand new condition. This one's been used. This one's a 23 Slicer. Very nice knives. Lifetime warranty with Cutco Company. Great company. This is interesting right here. It's a Schrade HS1 old timer hone steel chisel and pry bar. There's a little bit of damage down here. I can always fix that. But overall, this thing is in really great shape. Marked right there. Very cool. Check out the leather sheath. Only thing with this leather sheath is this button here. Ripped up the leather. Probably just need a bigger one. Replace that. Speaking of that, shout out to Mo Mellow Leather. Maybe he can hook that thing up. Next one. Colonial Bill Loop Rescue automatic knife. Damn, I can't even talk. Anyways, 3-inch blade. I believe this is for firefighters. Could be wrong, but there's a little, I think it's a belt cutter, and then it's a safety switch there. It's an automatic or switchblade, whatever you want to call it. Oh, I see. Damn. Flies out with authority, as you can see. I believe it's obviously it's high carbon steel, and I believe it's a hollow grind on there. It is a hollow grind, and there's a little bit of rust formation going on, but nothing too big. Great condition. And this one was pretty cool find as well. It's the Old Cross Pioneer. I don't see it marked anywhere. I believe this is the 409. I could be wrong. You guys tell me. You would know more than I do. Not that familiar with models on these, but I do know it's the old one. Victorinox Pioneer, of course. Very good condition overall. Needs to be buffed, cleaned. But if you guys see anything here on the table, everything is up for grabs. If you want, hit me up on Instagram, and we can make a deal. Other than that, that's all I got at these yard sales. I stopped at I think it was like 20 something yard sales. A lot of junk, a lot of just. I don't just pick up anything basically. I'm kind of picky, but I'm hoping next weekend will be a better week. A lot more stuff. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. You guys and gals have a great one. I gotta get back over here to paradise. Get back outside. Enjoy that sun. Cheers.